Stay tuned for this.
Hey, welcome back to Glam Bammers. Today I'm going to be doing a crochet weave without braids. Yes, that's right, no braids. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's have some fun. So today I'll be using the Glance Braid Wand Curl, and I'm only using 2 packs. Hey Yvette, these wand curls. So these are the 2 products that I'll be using. Let's get into it. You guys ready? I know I am. Where's my clamp? What I'm going to do now is take these, I think I'm going to put maybe four rubber bands. Make sure I'm filming this. Yep. Okay. You don't have to do the rubber bands tight. You just got to get them on. So that's 1. I said 4, right? So I'm going to do 4. 1, 2, 'So basically what I'm doing right now is just putting these little rubber bands on. They don't have to be tight, because remember, you have to get your crochet needle under that rubber band. And I'm going to put 2 over here. Actually, I could probably get away with 1, but I'm going to put 2 over here. I'm going to have to speed this up a little bit. So this is like the basic concept right here. And I'm going to continue this all the way up until I reach the top. Alrighty. So I'm back at it again. I didn't really like how the final product came out. I'm going to do some other things with it. This is really not my color. I need a lighter color, but I'm going to roll with this for now. I'm taking it out in a couple days anyway. But this is a pack and a half, and it's a pack and a half. And I'm going to add a little bit more hair, just a little bit, not too much, just to do some fillings. And I didn't lay my baby hairs down. My little edges, I did not lay my edges down because I did not have time. So I'm going to do that as well. Hey, this is the finished product. I hope you like it. I absolutely love it. I went out and I got so many compliments. I was just super excited to show off my new look, honey. I wasn't sure about the color at first, but I absolutely love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Jesus. Anyway, keep on watching. I have photos at the end. Please subscribe. My hair held up great. Doesn't it look just awesome? My hair held up great. This part is like real thick. But I look good, you know. I did my makeup in the car because we had a long day. I did my makeup in the car. It came out okay.